On the FAA Part 107 exam, you must know the critical difference between standard remote ID and a remote ID broadcast module under Part 89. Since September 2023, nearly all drones requiring registration must have remote ID, which acts like a digital license plate. The key distinction tested on the exam revolves around the location data each system broadcasts. A standard remote ID is built directly into the drone by the manufacturer. It broadcasts a set of data including the drone's unique ID, its current location, altitude, and velocity, along with a time mark. Most importantly, it broadcasts the real-time location of the control station. This means as the pilot is moving, the control station's location is continuously updated. In contrast, a remote ID broadcast module is a separate device attached to an older drone to make it compliant. A broadcast module transmits the drone's ID, its location, altitude, and velocity, just like the standard version. However, instead of broadcasting the control station's live location, it only broadcasts the drone's initial takeoff location. This is a major exam trap. Imagine a scenario where a pilot takes off from a park bench, then gets in a car and drives 2 miles away while operating the drone. An exam question might ask what location is being broadcast for the pilot's position. If the drone has standard remote ID, the broadcast will show the car's current moving location. If the drone is using a broadcast module, the broadcast will only ever show the location of that park bench where it took off. Remember this mnemonic to keep them straight. Standard sends the station, module marks the memory. Standard ID sends the live location of the control station, while the module only marks the memory of the takeoff spot. Another point to know is that drones equipped with a broadcast module are generally restricted to visual, line-of-sight operations. The only exception to the remote ID requirement is for drones flown exclusively within FAA-Recognized Identification Areas, known as FRIAs. These are specific geographic zones requested by community-based organizations or schools where drones without remote ID can fly as long as the pilot and drone remain within the FRIA's boundaries. For the exam, focus on that single critical difference. Standard remote ID broadcasts the control station's live location, while a broadcast module only ever shows the takeoff location. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.